Ever since the release of the first look of Umang Kumar's biographical sports drama Mary Kom, there has been a lot of uproar on who could have portrayed the role better than Priyanka Chopra. Makers said Priyanka had to be de-glamorous for the role of Mary Kom. We know quite a few actors from Northeast who would have fit the bill, but these beauties are in no way unglamorous. We bring you a list of the top 10 hot stars from Northeast India. 1. Karan David. Karan David is a Canadian-British actress who was born in Shillong, Meghalaya to a Khasi mother and South Indian father. She collaborated with A.R. Rahman on the Broadway musical Bombay Dreams. Famous films: Red Lights, The Scorpion King 2, Rise of a Warrior, Couples Retreat, Batman Begins, Flight of Fury 2. Gitanjali Thapa. Born and brought up in Sikkim, this stunning beauty